Hi friends, welcome to my channel High Tech Solver. Today I am going to present you about the features of Office 365 application. Before I explain the features, I will tell you what you can do with this app. Office 365 is an internet-based software package and all the work done is saved in a cloud storage. Main advantage of that is you can access your saved documents by a smart device wherever you are and it can be updated. This is more convenient and secured than saving data on your computer. All you need is a smart device and an internet connection to access Office 365 to do your work. Office 365 can be run with any operation system and you don't need to install your Office packages again. Okay, now you can see there are icons like Start New, Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel and many more. This can be separated into 4 sections as Office Application, Skype for Business, SharePoint and Exchange. Applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook are much familiar to you I guess, and OneNote belongs to Office application. Skype for Business categorized as instant messaging, voice calls and screen sharing. You can use SharePoint as a content management app and email services coming under Exchange. Yammer and OneDrive are also another two apps can be used for your work. OneDrive for Business app used for business purposes and Yammer is a platform like Facebook as all of you familiar and using every day. This Office 365 application can be obtained according to your needs whether it is for day-to-day personal use or business purposes. Here, I must clearly notify that you can't obtain an Office 365 application package individually like you create a Gmail account. To obtain this, you must first get registered into a school, workplace or any other institution. After joining your group, the school or company will send you the account and password to you. You can then log into Office 365 using that account and password and make sure to change that password after logging. You can refer my earlier videos about how to log into Office 365 for more information. Okay, let's talk about the 365 features. I will explain the Outlook features which would be always useful to you. Word and other apps I will present to you separately. Now you can see this is more familiar to your Gmail account. You can see your left with corner of your screen like new messages inbox which I am not going to explain. You can easily learn by seeing it. I show you the top right of your screen. When you click this icon, you can call or chat with anyone in your group. You can click the calendar, select the required date, and you can see the time of your online lessons or meetings and click the relevant meeting and click show more and click join Microsoft Teams meeting. Now you have to click join now. When you click this icon, you can turn on your camera and show your picture to everyone. When you click this icon, you can mute or unmute your mic to talk. When you press this share icon, you can share your screen with everyone. When you press these three dots, you can record this meeting. My device doesn't show that to me. If you want to show that you want to tell something, use this raise your hand option. And if you want to chat with everyone in your meeting, you have to click this meeting chat icon. If you think your presenter's screen is small, you can click the F11 key in the keyboard or click these three dots and click enter full screen. If you want to see the participants who are participated in this meeting, click this show participant button. If you want to leave this meeting, click this icon here. If you want to make a new chat, click this new chat button and you can type the relevant name and make a chat with that person. If you want to see the time and details of the next meeting, you have to click this calendar icon and the all details and times of meetings and lessons will be here. If you want to call someone, click this calls icon and click make a call and type the required name and click this call button. If you want to see the saved files of your cloud storage, you have to click this files icon. Then your saved files will be here. If you want to enter the status message, click this icon and click this pen and type your status message. It may be a greeting or whatever you like. I have entered. Please subscribe my channel High Tech Solver and share to everyone. And then if you have type your status message, you have to click done. You can change your profile picture by clicking this change picture and then click upload picture. Then you have to upload a picture from your device like this and click save. When you join 365 app newly, you see this default theme. If this default theme is painful to your eye, you can change it by dark and high contrast. By selecting high contrast, it would be decrease your battery usage. I'm not going to talk about privacy notifications and calls because you can understand them by seeing it. If you want to do all the work from your keyboard, you have to click this keyboard shortcuts and then you have to remember these shortcut key combinations. If you want to come back to the main page, you have to click this square with 9 dots and click this Office 365. If you want to change this picture in the top of your screen, you have to click this settings button and you can change themes in here. I'm gonna choose this mountain. So my dear friends, I hope you got some knowledge about this app by seeing my video. You can now log in to participate to school online sessions, share lessons, study with your friends. Also, if you are an employee, you can conduct meetings, conversations, make voice or video calls, held meeting presentations when auditing use as a convenient source using Excel, Word, PowerPoint and video and etc. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the notification bell.